All right. I received a DBPOWER action camera and figured I'd do a quick unboxing video. Looks like it came pretty well packaged. Here's a warning on the side of the package. This is the first time I've ever seen it. Talking about batteries. So it looks about right-sized packaged. It's a couple pounds. So let's open this up and see what we got. I don't have a tripod handy, so I'm holding my phone.
Don't do that.
Video this on my phone. I'm going to pause the video for a second. I needed two hands for that. So let's see what we got here. Well, looks like it's sealed. Would have been very well protected from the weather. Move this aside and start working on the next set of packaging. Okay, I'm going to turn the video off because I need two hands, and then I'll just open this up and start the video back. Before I go further, let's take a look at the numbers on the stickers. That's it. Looks like some part numbers. EX5000 action camera kit. So it has some fittings as well. Okay, I'm going to pause and open up the plastic packaging. Okay. So I purchased the camera after watching some videos on kayak and canoe excursions. Here's some more numbers. It's just the numbers on the packaging. And I was doing that in response to a kayak trip I'd made up one of the sloughs locally. Had such a blast, I figured I'd go back, and then I thought I would record it somehow for my friends. So I figured the waterproof case of the camera, and the resolution was pretty good. Some notes before use. Looks like a little useful tips. I figured this was a more economical alternative than trying to use my the camera on my phone and possibly dropping it into the water. So we'll see how this works out. My plan is to mount everything onto a spare ball cap that I bought. I bought just a cheap Walmart ball cap, $3 ball cap. Here's all the fittings. Looks like some like a case of some sort. Cord. All sorts of doodads that I don't know what to do with just yet. Now let's just dump it out. Looks like a microfiber wipe towel. Another insert. Oh, pretty decent looking owner's manual. Let's flip through it. Looks like the back half is in some other language. Yeah. Don't know what language that is. I'll take a look at it, and maybe if it's worthwhile, I'll shoot a video of just that. Some zip ties. Maybe retainers? I don't know. Yeah, we'll figure out what the stuff is for, and I think that's probably what I want right there. Looks like a battery. I thought there was 2 batteries. Let's see. Well, maybe there's 1 battery in the thing. I thought there was going to be 2 batteries. Let's take a look at the camera and the case itself. Well, it's packaged inside some foam. Looks like it was well packaged. Nothing else in there. All the boxes. Sorry about that. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's got a little fitting on there already. And the camera's inside the case. So let's pull the camera out of the case. Let's see. Looks like maybe I need to do that. Pull that back. I figured I would pull this up. Oh, there we go. Okay, the case is an acrylic or a plastic. There's some buttons on it. Can we focus on that? Yeah, it might be hard to focus on. What we got here? We got another button. We got buttons everywhere. Let's see. Yeah. Let's look at the inside. So this looks like there's a gasket in here or something. Okay, well, let's take a look at the camera. Wi-Fi. So I've heard conflicting reports on the Wi-Fi, so we'll test that. Okay, looks like a memory slot. Looks like a USB slot. What's that other one? 2 USB slots? Micro USB maybe? We've got some buttons on this side. So the case, yeah, it looks like a pretty rugged plastic of sorts. I've seen videos of modifications where they just burn through it with a soldering iron. This must be some sort of a thermoplastic. Looks like if I pull this, bud, can you hold my camera? No, this camera. The phone. The phone. Okay, hold it right there. Hold it. No, don't move. Hold it. And don't move. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to use both hands. Oh, it's already open. Okay, so it's not on a hinge or anything. but there is another battery, so I have a second battery inside the unit. So we'll have to look for some way to charge all this stuff up before we test the camera out. But that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Overall, it looks like it's decent quality. I don't see any manufacturing flaws. Everything seems to fit okay. I haven't tested the functions yet, of course, and I really have no idea what all these fittings are for yet, but we'll go through the manual. Looks like there's there's different languages. Yeah. Okay, so the front might be English. Yep. Okay, looks like different types of ways to mount it. Looks like on helmets. Looks like you can even put something on your belt or your bicycle. So we'll have to play around with that stuff. I don't have a memory card for it. I have a spare memory card, but it says it supports up to 32 gigs of memory, so I'll probably want to just go find a 32 gig card. Yeah, maybe I'll do a power on after we figure out how to charge it and put the memory card in, and then post another video.